이 밥은 어떻게 먹어요? 고기하고 같이 볶아서 드세요.
How do I eat this rice? So stir fry it with the meat. 볶아서 stir fry 두세요. Okay, 같이 볶아서 두세요. Okay, stir fry it with the meat. Ayun yung verb. So dun in-attach yung aso. Next.
오늘 저녁에 밖에 나가서 밥을 먹을까요? 아니요, 그냥 집에서 먹어요.
Shall we eat out this evening? No, just eat at home. 오늘 저녁에 밖에 out 나가서 밥을 먹을까요? So 나가서 shall we eat out this evening? 아니요, 그냥 집에서 먹어요. Just eat at home. Okay, just eat at home. 집에서.
가족들에게 선물을 보냈어요? 네, 옷을 사서 보냈어요.
Did you send gifts to your family? Yes, I bought clothes and then sent them. Okay. 옷을 사. I bought clothes. 옷을 사서 보냈어요. And 보내. Remember 보내다? To send. 보냈어요. I sent them. I bought them and then I sent them. Okay? So I bought and then sent. Okay? Now let's hear the conversation of Konu and Tuan.
투안 씨, 삼겹살을 좋아해요? 네, 저는 한국 음식 중에서 삼겹살을 제일 좋아해요. 그런데 처음에는 식탁에서 고기를 구워서 먹는 것이 좀 신기했어요. 그래요? 한국에서는 이렇게 먹는 음식이 많아요. 우리나라에서는 식탁 위에서 직접 요리를 하지 않아요. 그래서 한국에서 처음 고기를 먹을 때 식탁 위에 불이 있어서 너무 무서웠어요.
Tuan, do you like pork belly? Okay, pork belly, 삼겹살. Okay, grilled pork belly or pork belly, 삼겹살. Yes, I like pork belly the most among the Korean food. 저는 한국 음식 좋아해서 삼겹살을 제일 좋아해요. 제일, the best. But it was surprising that people roast pork belly on the table. 그런데 처음에는 식당에서 고기를 구워서 먹는 것이 좀 신기했어요. Okay, so it was surprising that people roast pork belly on the table. 중에서 meaning among or out of. Okay, sila lagi dito 한국 음식 중에서 삼겹살을 제일 좋아해요. So I like the pork belly or the samgyeopsal the best or among out of the 한국 음식, the Korean food, among the Korean foods. Okay? Really? 그래요? We have many different types of food that we cook on the table. 한국에서는 이렇게 먹는 음식이 많아요. So we have a lot of different types of food that we cook on the table. We don't directly cook the food on the table in Vietnam. 우리나라에서는 식당 위에서 직접 means 직접 in person or by oneself. 요리를 하지 않아요. So we don't directly cook the food on the table in Vietnam. 그래서 한국에서는 처음 고기를 먹을 때 식당 위에 불이 있어서 너무 무서웠어요. Okay, so I was scared to see the fire on the table when I first ate meat in Korea. So, bul. Asan yung bul? To, bul means fire. Okay, fire. Bul. Okay, bul. 무섭다, 무서웠어요. 무섭다 means scared. Okay, scared. 무섭다, scared. So, 직접, in person or by oneself. 중에서, among or out of. 중에서, 직접. 불. And 무서웠어요. 무섭다. Now let's practice.
문장을 읽고 알맞은 그림을 연결하세요.
Match the sentences to the most appropriate pictures. Match the sentences to the most appropriate pictures. Okay? So first, i-connect natin dito. Then, eto, paano siya lutuin? Ko-connect naman dito. Okay? Number 1.
감자를 튀기세요.
감자를 튀기세요. 감자. The answer, 감자. 기요. Okay? Andito, 감자, potato. 튀기세요. What's 튀기세요? 튀기세요. Answer, 튀기세요. 튀김. Okay? To fry. Okay? To fry the tomatoes. Okay? 감자. Number 2.
생선을 구우세요.
생선을 구우세요. What's 생선? 생선 is fish. Tiyo. Okay? Fish. So, ano gagawin sa 생선? 구우세요. Okay? 구우세요. 구우다. So, 구우세요. To grill. 굽다. Okay? So, 생선을 구우세요. To grill the fish. Number 3.
당근을 볶으세요.
당근을 볶으세요. What's 당근? 당근 is carrot. Okay, so 볶으세요. 볶다, 볶다. B. To fry, to stir fry. Okay, to stir fry the carrots. And lastly, number 4.
돼지고기를 삶으세요.
Okay, 돼지고기, the pork. 삶으세요, meaning to simmer. Okay, to simmer the pork. Okay?
그림을 보고 어서를 사용해서 대화를 완성하세요.
Complete the conversations using the 어서. Okay, so picture. So number 1.
양파는 어떻게 해요?
양파 means onion. 어떻게 해요? The answer is
볶아서 넣으세요.
okay, 볶아서 넣으세요. 볶다 means to stir fry. So to stir fry the onion, 넣으세요. Number 2, look at the picture and
이 음식은 어떻게 먹어요?
how do you eat this food?
끓여서 먹으면 돼요.
Okay. Boil first and then eat it. Okay, boil. 끓여서. So now let's see the food for special occasions. Okay, 특별한 날 먹는 음식. Okay, food for special occasions. Samgyetang is for the hottest days of summer according to the lunar calendar are called Bongnal. Okay, Boknal. Boknal. Okay, the hottest days of summer. Boknal. So in Boknal, Koreans eat samgyetang on these days. Okay, so kapag 3 hottest days of summer, Koreans eat samgyetang. Okay, so we are lacking in energy and vitality from excessive sweating in summer. And we believe that such ingredients as ginseng, chestnuts, and garlic will bring energy back. Try samgyetang when you feel exhausted on a sultry summer day. Okay? Kapag naubos na yung energy nyo sa sobrang init ng araw, sobrang init ng panahon kapag summer, so they eat samgyetang to boost their energy. Okay? Second is the miyokguk or the seaweed soup. What would Koreans eat on their birthday? Okay, so we have many various delicious types of food, including a birthday cake. But there is something that we will never miss. That is the miyongguk or the seaweed soup. A mother eats seaweed soup after giving birth. Therefore, we also eat seaweed soup on our birthday in order to pay tribute to our mother. Okay, parang traditional na sa kanila na kapag birthday mo or bagong panganak, yung mga mother ay kumakain ng seaweed soup. Okay? Kumbaga, hindi lang yung birthday cake. Yung cake yung importante kapag birthday, diba? Laging di mawawala cake. Sa mga Koreans, hindi rin nawawala yung seaweed soup. Dapat kumakain din sila ng miyokguk kapag birthday nila. Or for mothers, pagtapos manganak. Okay? Importante yung seaweed soup. Miyokguk. So, except for rice and a bowl of soup,